Yes, I made this video just for fun. I love my new Casio F91WB, but what if we asked AI to roast this new design? In this case, I used ChatGPT and here's what it said. A good roast. And don't worry though, this is not how the channel is going to be. I'm not going to automate my reviews, so you will still hear my strange accent in the upcoming videos.
The Casio F91WB design feels like it's trying to modernize a classic, but ends up looking like the F91W just got stuck in a monochrome phase. Here's what stands out, or doesn't. Color scheme. This all black, stealth vibe is definitely trying to be cool, but in reality, it looks like the F91W's personality got drained out. The classic blue and silver or even the gold accents on older models gave it some charm. This dark look feels like it's afraid to stand out. Display. The display remains unchanged, which is both a blessing and a curse. While the simple display is timeless and iconic, against this dull black casing, it almost seems underwhelming. The digital numbers don't pop, and the gray background looks washed out. WR badge. The WR, water resistant, badge in gold is almost comically small and misplaced. It looks like it's apologizing for the fact that this watch only has basic water resistance, despite looking like it's ready for some serious action. Buttons. The side buttons on this model, like the original F91W, are too tiny for anyone with regular-sized fingers to press without some effort. The contrast with the black case makes them easy to miss, adding to the stealthy but impractical feel. Band design. The strap has these oddly spaced-out ridges that break up the monotony of the black, but they don't really add any style. They look more like speed bumps for your wrist than a design feature. Material. The matte black plastic casing tries to appear sleek, but it ends up looking cheap and toy-like, especially with no shiny surfaces to break the monotony. It lacks the durability look of more rugged models, which makes the all-black design seem more about aesthetics than practicality. It's as if the F91W tried on an edgy black outfit to be mysterious, but forgot that sometimes less isn't always more, and this iteration just comes across as bland. The iconic F91W charm is missing, replaced by a flat, almost lifeless look.
That's all, no hard feelings, just good fun. Thank you and have a great day.